Becoming My Own, A Journey Through Stirner's Eyes. I used to think personal growth meant becoming someone better, smarter, kinder, more useful, but I never stopped to ask. Better for whom? For years I lived by a script that was handed to me. Be a good student, be a loyal friend, be a respectful child, fit in, be useful, don't be too selfish. I chased goals that weren't mine, values I never questioned. I wore identities like uniforms, employee, son, partner, citizen, and I confused all of it for me. But there came a moment, a quiet, slow breakdown, where I realized I had no idea who I was beneath the noise of who I was supposed to be. What I called growth was performance, what I called progress was obedience, what I called maturity was conformity, and I was exhausted. Then, almost by accident, I came across a strange name, Max Stirner. Stirner didn't talk about self-improvement, he talked about self-possession. He didn't promise happiness, success, or meaning, he simply asked, what if you lived only for yourself? What if everything you believe, duty, morality, even purpose was just a spook, a ghost in your mind, placed there by others? He wrote, I am owner of my might, and I am so when I know myself as unique, not as a cog in a machine, not as a good boy, but as my own.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That idea hit hard, because I had built my life on shoulds. I should help, I should follow the rules, I should be a certain kind of person. But none of those shoulds came from me. So I began to unlearn, not out of rebellion but clarity. I stopped measuring myself against other people's ideals. I stopped justifying my existence, and I started asking, what do I want, because I want it. That was the real beginning of personal growth. Not improvement, ownership. Max Stirner didn't tell me how to live. He didn't offer a new rulebook. He burned the rulebook. And in the ashes I found something simple and terrifying. Freedom. Freedom without justification. Freedom without apology. Freedom to be mine. If you've ever felt the weight of invisible expectations, if you've ever wondered why your life doesn't quite feel like your own, read Max Stirner's The Ego and Its Own. It's not easy, it's not warm, but it's real, and it might just change the way you see everything, including yourself. Be your own. Subscribe for more philosophy-driven stories.